Welcome back. This is Jeffrey's regular YouTube channel for one last time today or tonight. We're just going to let the Crawford, Erie, and the Western Pennsylvania counties, as well as all of Ohio counties, know that the wind advisories and the high wind warnings for Erie, Crawford, all of Western Pennsylvania, and all of Ohio residents today has been canceled today. So that's good news to report. But we do have a new wind advisory in effect for northern Erie counties until 1 o'clock this evening. They're saying what? Southwest winds at 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Impacts. Gusty winds could blow around uncircled objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Precautionary preparedness actions. Use an extra caution when traveling, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle circling outdoor objects. Again, we got a wind advisories in effect for Erie counties only, the northern ones it is, until late this evening on this Saturday, January 13th, 2024, from Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube. The National Weather Service decided to cancel the operation weathers of the wind advisories and the high wind warnings for Erie and Crawford and Western Pennsylvania and all of Ohio counties. But the wind advisory they just put up for Erie counties is still going on. The winter weather advisories for Erie counties is still going on. And they just told they have a heavy freeze spray warnings in effect until tomorrow, until Monday, I beg your pardon. So let's go ahead now and review the forecast review the forecast for tonight, and then this is for all the cities around Pennsylvania, and then this what I have on there. And then this is more likely going to be it for today and for this week for Jeffrey's regular YouTube channel. I'm trying to find the forecast. Here's the forecast for Titusville tonight. They're saying cloudy with snow showers developing after midnight. Low 18, southwest winds at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Chance of snow 60%, snowfall around 1 inch. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. We're just going to do tonight and tomorrow only, so by the way, for Sunday, snow showers early, then peaks of sunshine for the afternoon. High, there's a temperature change. Morning highs are going to be around 22, but temperatures are going to fall around 10 in the afternoon. Winds west-southwest at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Chance of snow 50%. Snow accumulations, winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. There's no snow accumulations, though. I'm sorry, I don't know what I was thinking of. And Sunday night, A few clouds. This is very cold. I mean, very cold. Low 5. Winds west southwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Here's the forecast for Meadville tonight. It's supposed to be a cold one on Tuesday night, too, though. It's not just tomorrow, but Tuesday night's supposed to be down in the single digits as well. So, here's the forecast for Meadville tonight. They're saying cloudy with late night snow showers, low 17, southwest winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour, chance of rain or snow 60%, about 1 inch of snow expecting for Sunday. Cloudy skies early with partial sunshine for the afternoon, high 22, southwest winds at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. And Sunday night, partly cloudy, low 7. Winds west-southwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Greenville next. Excuse me. Excuse me. Here's the forecast for them tonight. Here's the forecast for Greenville tonight. They're saying cloudy skies early with snow showers developing late. Low 16. Southwest winds at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Chance of snow 60%. Snow accumulations less than 1 inch. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. For Sunday, cloudy skies early, then partly cloudy in the afternoon. High 21. Winds southwest, at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. And Sunday night, partly cloudy skies, low 6. Southwest winds at might be 5 to 10 miles per hour. No, 10 to 15 miles per hour it is, excuse me. Next, Erie. Here's the forecast for Erie tonight. They're saying windy with snow showers in the evening, developing to a steadier snow after midnight. Low 19. Southwest winds at 15 to 20 or 25 to 35 miles per hour. Chance of snow 60%. Snow accumulating 1 to 3 inches. Winds could occasionally gust over 50 miles per hour. For Sunday, periods of snow and windy. High 24. Winds west-southwest at 25 to 35 miles per hour. Chance of snow 70%. Snow accumulating 3 to 5 inches. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. And Sunday night, windy with snow showers. Low 10. Southwest winds at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Chance of snow 40%. Snowfall around 1 inch. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. I just told you that they have that new wind advisory popped up for Erie. I gotta read that cancellation of that wind advisory as far as the Pittsburgh is concerned. That's what the... Yep. They just canceled the wind advisory. So, or I just told you that earlier. So, Here's what it said. The wind advisory for them is canceled. It said gusty winds that prompted that the advisory have decreased. Some gusts between 40 and 40 miles per hour are still possible, but should continue to decrease through the overnight. That's what it said on there. So let's go to the forecast for them tonight. That's hour by hour. Excuse me. Here's the forecast for them tonight. They're saying variably cloudy with snow showers. Low 24. Southwest winds at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Chance of snow 50%. Snow accumulations less than 1 inch. For Sunday, partly cloudy skies early while becoming partly cloudy, or cloudy skies early it is, while becoming partly cloudy later in the day. This is just like what happened to Titusville, same way. Morning high is going to be at 29, and temperatures are going to fall around 20. The Pittsburgh temperatures is doing the same as Titusville's doing. Winds west-southwest at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. And Sunday night, partly cloudy, low 13. West-southwest winds at 10 to 15 miles per hour. And finally, northeast. Let's get their forecast for tonight. Supposed to call, the snow's gonna be around in Erie mostly tomorrow. So here's the forecast for northeast tonight, and then we'll pretty much be it for today. Windy with off and on snow showers, becoming a steadier snow overnight. Low 20. Winds, southwest winds at 25 to 35 miles per hour. Chance of snow 80%. Snow accumulating 1 to 3 inches. Winds could occasionally gust over 50 miles per hour. For Sunday, snow with gusty winds at times. High 24. Southwest winds at 25 to 35 miles per hour. Chance of snow 80%. 3 to 5 inches of snow expecting. Heavier amounts and precip snow bands. And Sunday night, variably clouds and windy at times with snow showers. Low 10. Southwest winds at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Chance of snow 60%. 3 to 5 inches of snow expected. Heavier amounts in persistent snow bands. And that's it. They just decided to cancel the high wind warnings for Erie counties. That's why the high wind warning is changing into a wind advisory for Erie counties. But otherwise, all the wind advisories for Crawford and Ohio and Crawford County, Pennsylvania, and for all of Ohio counties, they decided to cancel it today. So that's good news to report. So, excuse me. So, all right, we've been around for 14 minutes. This is my final video of the day. As I said in the beginning, so this is probably going to be it for today and for this week for Jeffrey's regular channel page. Again, we got, and also for Jeffrey, the train experts for today, for this week as well. Again, we're just letting the Crawford and Erie residents know, as well as the Western Pennsylvania and the Ohio counties, that the wind advisories and the high wind warnings for Erie, Crawford, Western Pennsylvania, and a bunch of Ohio counties has been canceled today. So that's good news to report. But there is a wind advisory in effect for Erie counties until 1 o'clock Sunday morning. This is going to be in effect until late this evening. So and also the wind, come on, uh, the winter weather advisories for Erie counties is still going on, and there's also a heavy spray warning is in effect for Erie and a few Ohio counties until Monday, until Monday morning or Monday afternoon. So we're going to get off for the night, and thanks for watching Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube. Again, one more time, if you haven't already, subscribe to Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube, alongside Jeffrey the Train Experts on YouTube. So everybody else, have a good night, and we'll be back on next week for more live videos. Talk to you later.